Diana Coman Schmid, Personalized Health Data Services Manager, ETH Zürich. Biology, Medicine, IT, all speak data.
So I knew quite early that I wanted to study biology, and it was a bit special. So actually I imagined I'll be doing snorkeling and studying marine life partly. And then I thought in the rest of the time I'll be doing fancy genetics. So this was 17 years ago. I was finishing high school back in Romania. And this was a really cool topic to study. But it turned out differently. So I had to study a lot of botany, anatomy, biochemistry. And somehow all of these topics in biology did bring me further. They made me curious to know more. And so I did. After my master's, I came to ETH to do a PhD in molecular biology. And then I switched more onto bioinformatics and statistics. So, first I started working with data that came from biology experiments. And this data looked pretty much like black and white numbers, and there was no story to tell. And we started working on them, applying analytics. And what you see here is an example of that. So we worked on network analysis. A network is like on social networks. So for example, if you want to know which kind of sushi type European people might prefer, you look, for example, in their social media profiles. You can go even further to search for patterns, and you look at the friends and friend of friends and trying to find out what they have in common. So this is learning from somebody's network. Now back to science, we looked this way at our data, and actually this helped us finding out, for example, how plants could tell the time, if it's light or dark outside. This is quite important for understanding and bringing science further. So now the career path brought me at the interface between data, IT, and medicine. The goal now is pretty much more tangible than before. So together we want to be able to provide the right treatment at the right time to the right patients. So this is part of the precision medicine. And in the same time, we want to be able to keep as many people as possible healthy. So this is the prevention part of the personalized health. This is a huge collaborative and long-term effort, and it involves specialists from all over, topics like medicine, molecular biology, statistics, IT, computational sciences, and from all over Switzerland. So now the data became even bigger, so big data, big topic. We want to move into smart data from there. And this data, it's special because it comes from human beings. Confidentiality and privacy have to be granted. So you see me sitting there inside of a high-performance computing facility at ETH Zürich where such special data will be finally processed. What did biology help? Well, that's very simple. So I started by learning, so this is also what I think you will be doing. I would suggest you to be crazy or courageous enough to go for exotic topics. So I switched from pipetting in a lab fully to programming, bioinformatics, and statistics. In fact, I went to do a Weiterbildung at ETH while I was pregnant with my first daughter. So on terms of family and career, just do it. Add skills to your profile along the way and keep curious. So with this, I would like to wish you all good luck and have fun at ETH.